Chief Meteorologist Mark
It is a
Reynolds.
beautiful afternoon. Our high today all the way up to 79 degrees at the Tri-City Regional Airport. Take a look at this shot. Downtown Bristol, State Street, our General Shell Skycam. Yes, we do have a few clouds on the horizon. Not anything to worry about, though. You're looking at a great night. Good night to get out. Enjoy the evening before the sun sets in about another hour or so. Comfortable temperatures right now, Tri-City Airport. 78 degrees with a calm wind. Take a look at North Johnson City here, too. We're holding on to beautiful weather conditions. This will play out again tomorrow. So if you had to work today, you might have the day off tomorrow. Might want to get outside, do a bit of yard work. Should be ideal for that. 71 in Clintwood, 76 right now in Johnson City. Knoxville, 81 degrees, 65 in Boone. And yes, it's that time of the year. A lot of folks already wanting to go up and do some leaf peeping. And again, those colors are starting to change across the region, but cooler definitely in the higher terrain here of northwestern North Carolina. All right, let me show you what's going on as we look over the deep south, warming up a bit. 87 in Jackson. We're watching this little bubble of warmth because that is spreading towards the east. Tomorrow, we might actually hit 80 degrees. Our Vipercast, very quiet tonight. That's how it stays through the overnight into the day tomorrow. Just a few high clouds early. Otherwise, from 10 to midnight, right through the early morning hour, we're holding on to fair skies. So we're going to stop this at 6 o'clock. Look at that, up to 8 o'clock in the morning. A nice but chilly start. Temperature right around 49 degrees. Even up to 10 o'clock in the morning and noon, we're looking at full sunshine. Noontime temperature right around 70. The afternoon high, 79 to close to 80 for tomorrow afternoon. Then there's 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Now, really, our next weather maker is high pressure. It's dominating much of the east, drying us out all the way down through the Carolinas. That, again, definitely good news. High pressure, though, it is our dominant feature that is moving into our region. That allowing for a nice Thursday on tap, partly cloudy skies. Our next weather maker back here. This is a front, a cold front. It's going to approach our region on Friday. And yes, right out ahead of that front, we'll start to see the scattering of showers for Friday into Friday night, even into the early hours of Saturday morning. And behind that front, turning cooler. Look at our jet stream configuration. A little dip here in the jet stream that keeps us in the 60s for Saturday. All right, here's a look at our forecast. Overnight low down to 49 with fair skies. Tomorrow, we're topping out all the way at 79 to near 80, partly cloudy. Our 7-day forecast, check out these temperatures. Highs up for 70s again Thursday, mid-70s on Friday with a chance of rain. We'll hold on to that chance of rain early Saturday morning, otherwise we dry out. And warm right back up next week as high pressure builds right back into the area. That's good news. Next weekend, though, could be dealing with some showers. We'll keep an eye on that. That's
a week after.
A week after.
Okay, Mark.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Still.